Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Cloud 2 on the USB sound card, plug it in and pick it in sound settings. Once done, install Equalizer APO and the piece interface so you can shape frequencies. These tools run at the system level, which is why they work. Make sure to restart audio services when prompted. You're setting the foundation. Without system-level EQ, software sliders won't affect the USB sound card consistently, so do this now before tuning. You now craft the actual bass curve. Open Piece and select the profile for the Cloud 2 USB device, then add a parametric band centered around 60 to 120 Hz and raise it by about 4 to 8 decibels, with a moderate Q so it's musical, not boomy. Next, add a low shelf around 200 to 400 Hz if you want more warmth, just a couple of dB. Make small changes, then test with familiar tracks. Your ears tell you when it's right. You finish by saving the profile and enabling Piece to auto-load at startup, so the bass stays consistent. Then listen critically. If you hear distortion or clipping, lower the master gain or trim the boost until clarity returns. If the EQ seems not to apply, make sure the Cloud 2 USB is the selected playback device and restart the APO configuration install if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall Equalizer APO and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.